Business owners know what is at risk when their business suffers from disaster. In fact, why wait till it's too late? Here are several ways to implement a disaster recovery plan. Option 1. Build your own DR plan at a rented commercial center, which will cost you a bomb. Option 2. Build your own DR plan at your own DR site, which will cost you less than a fortune. Option 3. Outsource your DR plan to a reputable cloud disaster recovery service provider, which offers the most cost-effective solution. Aegis OnePad deploys and switches backup software for customers whenever necessary without any charges. Aegis Managed Service is committed to ease customers' backup and DR burden so that IT administrators will not be so frustrated. Aegis DR AAS provides complimentary unlimited DR resources while having dedicated DR professionals to assist during DR drills. Disaster recovery plan has become a need, not a want. Protect your business. Explore your disaster recovery plan with Aegis Cloud Disaster Recovery.